Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook login phone number to email. Firstly, you need to open your Facebook app. On the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. When you enter on your menu page, tap on Profile. Scroll down and tap on Edit your About Info. When you get access to About Info, tap on Contact Info. Tap on Edit. Then tap on Manage Contact Info. After that, tap on Add New Contact. Which would you like to add? Tap on Add Email Address. Now here you will be required to enter your email address that you want to use as Facebook login. When you finish entering your email address, now you can choose account for this email address. Let's tap on Facebook. Then tap on Next. Now you will be sent confirmation code to your new email address that you have entered right now. After that, tap on Next. Here you can see I have successfully added email address to my account. Let's tap on Close. After that, tap on Done. Let's go back and head over to Edit Profile. Tap on Manage Contact Info. So here you have got your phone number and your email address in your contact info. So now we must remove our phone number. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Delete Number. If you tap on Delete, then you will be no longer be able to use this number to log in, reset your password or receive notifications. Let's tap on Delete. After you finish entering your password, tap on Continue, and here we have successfully deleted our phone number. And this is how we change Facebook login phone number to email. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching.